Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the orbit around cursor. Now, I don't have a 3D object, and that's really what this is for, okay? So you'll notice the little graphic here. It says orbit around cursor tool. Orbit around the cursor, hit point. You can use 1, shift plus 1. So if you have a 3D object, you would be able to use this tool to rotate around the object. Okay, so a way to get that perspective, I should be able to, let's see if I can pull it off. If not, I can just explain it. I'll just explain it instead. If you were in a 3D space instead of a 2D space like we are here, which is flat, you would be able to rotate around this graphic. Okay, so we'd be able to rotate it 360 degrees. So you'd be able to see behind it, next to it, beside it, all that stuff. That's 3D, okay? And that's really what it is, all right? So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.